Good evening. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting. I'm really impressed as far as the startup ecosystem is concerned because majority of the startups are in losses. And by losses, I not mean that they are in losses of 1 crore, 2 crore. Rather, there is a website called FinTracker. And if you visit this website, you would get to know that they are even having losses of thousands of crores. And I'm really thankful to have this website. You are getting very updated information. And few companies I am always tracking very religiously is, and one of them is definitely the phone pay. I'm really impressed from the fact that PhonePe is a loss making company. Number one, Insurance and Regulatory Association, basically the regulator IRDAI of India, they granted the insurance license to PhonePe, even knowing that PhonePe is a 100% loss making company. And the beautiful fact is that, according to the public information, PhonePe valuation is approximately 12 billion US dollars. So, if I go with the current exchange rate of around 82, it means this valuation is very close to approximately 100,000 crores, which means 1 trillion. It means a loss making company who never reported the profit is currently having a valuation of approximately 100,000 crores. This is really grateful, and I think I would definitely be requiring, I would say, the presence of mind of Steve Jobs to explain me this because, as far as my knowledge is concerned, I definitely fail to understand how this can happen. And today, on 5th April 2023, I am getting another interesting information as far as the PhonePe is concerned. And this information now I am reading for you. This information is the payment major PhonePe, which is in the middle of closing around $1 billion funding from Walmart, Journal Atlantic, and others in foray into e-commerce with a separate app, and they titled this called pin code that would work throughout the ONDC. Now, ONDC means Open Network for Digital Commerce. The company launched pin code, a hyper local e-commerce platform that enables online commerce between local offline stores and customers in the neighborhood in Bangalore on Tuesday, which means today is Wednesday and this information is of Tuesday. The beautiful part of the life is that the CFO, which is the co-founder and the CEO, Mr. Samir Nigam of PhonePe, said that there are 7,000 to 8,000 restaurants that are currently live on the food delivery side on the app, while Apollo is also active in pharmacy with more names expected to be onboarded in the next few weeks. For grocery and all the major chains, just like Namdhari are live, and roughly 900 to 1,000 grocery stores are live on the PinCode platform. Guys, one thing which we really need to understand is that PhonePe is a 100% loss making company. We all know that PhonePe is backed up by big investors, and these big investors are having huge money in the pocket. We also know that in majority of the times the money do not belong to these investors, rather this belongs to the ultimate beneficiary, which is very difficult to assess. I fail to understand which e-commerce company we have in India who is in profits. I do not have a single idea about a single e-commerce company in India who is in profits. But irrespective of having a loss-making model, which PhonePe is having as we speak, they are currently looking to enter in yet another loss-making model. This is the beauty of the life. But still, I will definitely leave this on PhonePe. The PhonePe is the ultimate authority to decide. But please note that PhonePe also providing the banking services to OctaFX. OctaFX is an illegal trading platform as we speak. More importantly, OctaFX has already been raided by Enforcement Directorate in the money laundering case. More importantly, OctaFX is in the list of Reserve Bank of India and PhonePe is providing banking services to OctaFX. Please do note that to me, it hardly makes any difference whether any loss making startup venture into any kind of business, because one thing I'm aware and one thing I would continue to aware is the depression. Depression is here, depression is shaping up, and please be rest assured that depression will take a very ugly turn considering the fact that the central banks across the globe have clearly decided that they won't be cutting the rate, at least in the near term. This is Rahul Magan from Treasury Consulting Group. You knew my personal number, +91 9899 242 978. Let me repeat, +91 9899 242 978. Thank you and have a great time ahead.